Greetings, greetings, greetings to each and every one. See, by now, on the must know say Bounty Killer, they back in New York again. See? So here we're going to raise about the thing right as up. And Ziggy say, keep it up. Soon forward. Bounty Killer. Yeah, man. When you don't hear it or you got the man, they back in the US again. The man can perform inside of the United States again. See? Yeah, man. So, Cartel, get back him thing. Beanie Man, get him thing. What there? And now Bounty Killer. See? So, dancehall, the thing look promising again. See? Yeah, man, the thing look bright again. Dancehall, see? The giants them can forward in a foreign again and come perform. Alright, so we love that. See, massive? And I know so I love that to set speed. See, because I don't know so the killer that head up. See? Yeah, but kaboom! And the man that step out on stage and mad thing, man. See? Alright. One of the reasons I'm glad to say the man get back him thing and can fly. The man get to see me youth them again. See? I see him share a picture recently with all them youth them. Says a joy if you see back all them youth them again. So that's a joy within itself right there so for the killer. I love that. Big up. Seeing killer, blessings a flow. Seeing I love that. Seeing next thing again now, I love the killer. Why I love the reason against the killer can fly again. The man can come make some money back again in a foreign. Seeing? Yeah, man, the man can. Although killer always make money, you know. Killer not stop make money, you know. See? Because remember, some killer they tell you, say, yo, I not forgot foreign for the US. Come to me. Me stay a yard in the US, come a yard to me. See? When I don't know, say them man there, I don't play it. When I don't play it, king. Man, whole heap of US are flying down in a yard to them man for the dub plate and things, see me. So, that's how the thing go. See? So, if killer was never ever the forget back in visa for come back in a foreign come perform. Killer lifestyle would drop. No time at all, see me. Because killer thing up. When you don't know that a rich life, see? Yeah, man, to keep the killer thing up. Alright, with that said, my joyful say killer can make some money back again now. Because remember, you know, a whole heap of money killer spend, you know. Enough money the man spend a lot. Daily them man they spend enough money. But we are going to highlight some of the things them seeing what killer I do seeing or what killer do already or did. See? Remember saying, you know, Bounty Killer, Kingston Public Hospital must have about 60 bed, you know, hospital bed, you know. When you use him own money and buy that, you know. Seeing? For KPH, you know. Seeing? Make all the government look shame, because I don't feel do them things there. Seeing? I remember at the same time too, them man there buy paint and paint up all the hospital. So right now, if you go to Jamaica and see the hospital look bright up on the outside and them things there, yeah, are the killer. Seeing? So them things that them are them rocks so them and they are pushing. Seeing? And another thing again now, the killer got so boom in our day. Tiger, because you don't know so Tiger did in an accident and Tiger carrying not too bright again and can't get for perform like oh he would have perform again and jump and thing. Seeing so him think kind of slow down and thing. And him go through him sickness and he want some help out there. Yeah? And the killer again. Seeing? Step in and help out again. And I want to feel say even Lieutenant Stitching now, I got through him thing too. I think the killer did step in again, him and Shaggy team up and step in and make a thing that happen too. Again. See, so a whole heap of good killer do man. Killer help a whole heap of people, man. See, him must spend a whole heap of money. So we want him come in the place now, come make back some of them US there. See, because when you're there, you know, as a different energies, a different thing. When you hear the man say, as the man drop in a foreign, who the man link with straight Khalid. So you know, so the thing up. And on a joke thing right now. See, so me have to reason about killer because I'm joyful say the killer back in New York City again. I'm not telling a lie people. What wanna feel? What wanna say? Wanna not joyful? Yeah man, I'm about to kill we are talking about it now. See? Yeah. So the man can come eat some food again and do more work. Because from the man that make more money, he might just continue to do more good. See? I just saw them man the thing set. Yeah. Alright now. I wanna know say killer is a man responsible for the dancehall young giants them right now like the Vibes Cartel and Mavado, seeing busy. You see me I say? Wayne Marshall. Yeah man, seeing I Donia to see me. Enough other artists who I'm rings with and all them thing there. You see him guide them and them thing there. You don't know the whole scare them with Elephant and the whole crew. So whole heap of thing, a whole heap of good the man do. See? So the man there are the giant, one of the giant in the thing. See? Yeah man. Alright now. Bounty Killer in a foreign, when you don't surprise say pan Cartel show. Remember the Cartel show the 11th of April. See? Don't surprise if you say the killer step out in a Barclays. Mad. Remember me telling you, cause see the show we're gonna yard over there with Cartel return and the killer step out as a surprise guest. Don't you feel say I'm gonna step out in a New York, you know. Killer, you what? In a Barclays. Killer ready for them show there. Step out mad. I say, come on. People, I want to know. Place boss. A long time the people, a long time I don't see them thing. The wait people, you know they're too far away. Killer gonna step out, man. See? I want to look forward for Killer. Nothing in New York right now. So I'm going to show start keep with the Killer. Because we're long to see the Killer, man. And I know so long to see the Killer. When I go dead, when I go full up the thing, any venue. See? So that's what the thing said. Right now, it look like all a big collab right now in the makings right now. Because see the man them show a video with Khalid, seeing Cartel and the Killer in a studio all the vibes and rhythm might be run and thing. So, yo, that trust me. So I saw the thing, I saw the energy go. See it? Cartel up around the place. Bounty Killer always did it standing up. Bounty Killer never flap it, never fade out yet. So Killer, Vibes Cartel, trust me, it's a bright thing that for the dancehall, for the genre. See? It's a good look for the thing. Yeah man, it's a good look for dancehall again. Even in the US. Because you know, say US kind of is the kind of the giant for the world in a way, you know. It's like anything we're going on in the US. At that Jamaica states, they want to patronize for the thing of the US. And not only in Jamaica, to all of the Caribbean, them, even in the UK, even Africa and them places. Every man want to forward and come to the US, man. See? Every man want to forward and come to the US, you know. See? So, as much as you hear enough man even from Jamaica say, yeah, Africa, Ray, Africa, and African, Ray, still. If them have two flights, I leave out of Jamaica right now. I want to come to the US, I want to go to Africa. Remember me telling you, Africa, empty. As straight US every man come. See, so Killer dead in the US again. So that alone is a joy within itself. And Killer does happy star. You can see it on the man. The man was happy to back in the US and thing. And the crowd of people there, but show so happy also. See? So here one just look out for a whole heap of thing from the Killer, man. My feel say the thing bright, man. See, it's a good look for dancehall right now. It's a good look for the genre. I know say Shaggy and the whole of the man them I share it up and I congratulate and things. So all of the man them happy star, including myself. See? I'm not telling a lie. So when I know how I feel about it, leave in the comments them and things. Just a quick reason about the Killer car. You don't know say the thing hot right now. And I have to talk about the Killer car. I'm joyful. So I have to come talk to you real quick about the Killer. See? So I saw the thing set. See? You don't know a Ziggy Bless, you know. And a Bounty Killer was saying, you know, yeah, Vibes Cartel, collaboration. See? Yeah, I saw the thing go. The Killer there. So keep it locked. As Ziggy Bless said that right as so. And Ziggy says, see? Mad to the world.